Hello children, welcome to another mark making fun session. I'm outside again today. Do you remember I was outside yesterday? I'm outside today with my chalk again. I'm going to use my outdoor chalkboard to write and say the letter sound orange. Can you have a go? Orange. To write this sound, we need to start at the top and we need to say all around the orange. Ha! Shall we have a go? Come on, you can help me. Let's put my chalk at the top. Here I go. I'm going to say all around the orange. Orange. See if you can have a go and send it to me on our nursery email. Bye.